Hello my dear students, today we are going to make paper bud. For that paper bud, we need paper of any color, white color for eyes, and two circles of different size. One is big and another should be small, and a scissor. Here I have already traced the circle. Now I am going to cut it. You need two big circle and one small circle for head. One rectangle shape for tail. Let's begin the procedure. Fold this paper like this. Don't fold it up to the down. Here you have to fold like this. Now cut it in a slanting way like this. Fold it like this. Now twist it little bit like this way. Another also do the same. Eyes like this. Now cut big like this in a triangle shape. Like this. Here I have already made feathers, head, eyes, beak. Now I am going to make tail. Take a rectangle shape like this and cut like this way. Same like before. Here also you have to twist like this. Leave one. Another side also do like this. Now your tail is ready. Now I am going to paste eye of this bird like this way. Another side also I am going to paste eye. Now I am going to paste beak. Another beak also I am going to paste. Now our head is ready. Now paste this head in this feather like this. Now here I am going to paste tail also. Now another side of the feather also we have to paste like this. don't put glue up to the down, paste like this only. You can use glue stick also. Now here our bird is ready. Now you just have to bend a little bit like this on the both sides, and our bird is ready. Now thank you for watching my video. I hope you will practice at home and make nice birds and decorate your room. Thank you.